We all love to eat fruits, but there are three fruits particularly beneficial. Stay tuned until the end to find out what number three is. If you find this content helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's start with number one, berries. From strawberries and blueberries to raspberries and blackberries, these fruits are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids. Vitamin C in berries supports collagen synthesis, and collagen is essential for repair of cartilage and spinal discs. Antioxidants in berries fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is what damages the joints and spinal tissues. You definitely don't want that. So eating more berries kills two birds with one stone. It increases the production of cartilage and also reduces the destruction of cartilage at the same time. Berries also lower the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and dementia. Number two, citrus fruits. Lemons, oranges, and grapefruit are also high in vitamin C. They also contain fiber and anti-inflammatory chemicals like flavonoids, potassium, and folate, all of which are important for bone and joint health. Potassium in particular helps maintain electrolyte balance, which is essential for proper muscle and nerve function that supports the spine health. Can you guess number three? It's pineapple. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain has been shown to reduce inflammation and pain in conditions such as osteoarthritis. Bromelain also improves digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring that essential vitamins and minerals are available for joint and spine health. So, what is the one common component among these three fruits? It's vitamin C. Vitamin C is important for two things: collagen formation and immune support. Collagen helps to repair, and immune support is crucial in reducing the risk of inflammatory conditions affecting the joints and spine. And we all know how important it is to maintain a healthy immune system. So now you know the three delicious ways you can improve your spine and joint health. No time like the present to go out to the market and get some berries, oranges, and pineapple. And be sure to check us out on the web at www.elitespinejoint.com or www.portcitypain.com, and you can always give us a call at 910-442-1200.